Hello everybody, welcome to BG office. This is our office in the second floor. And you see this is our new product. This is my colleague, designer, Yang. And this is our colleague, accountant, May and Tina, HR. Welcome to our second floor. Here is the tea table. If you come, you can sit here and drink tea with me. And here is our meeting table, meeting room. Sometimes we sing and have eating something here. And welcome to our second floor, our office, trading department. See, this is our culture. Here is made by our photographer, 杰哥. BG Gyms. See our new product, red and white series. And this is our showroom. Here is our traditional series. And this one is our most popular item. The meeting table. It can be much longer and shorter. And also this one with the CNC pattern. And this one. And here is the step table. And the podium table. This here is our new design iron series. This item is very popular, good selling. And this iron table also very good selling. And come to this part. Here is the young series for young people, red and white, very sharp, right? And come to my office. Also one more podium table. And sometimes we have our lunch here. And here is my office, the sales department. This is my colleague. Here is Wendy. Hello. Here is Kiva. And here is our boss, Jackie.
Hello.
Okay, welcome to BG office for your better office.